Okay guys, there's one more group of bike coming, I think so. It's the Avenger Club. Look at this man. God, look at the road, man. It's so fucking flat. It's amazing to be a biker. This is my childhood dream, okay? It's my childhood dream to ride with a group of bunch of people who have the same mentality and same thinking like me. Oh, there, look at that RC. That thing is called as the continental, right? Yeah, continental. One more RC, CBR, and look at this dude. Look at this, a team RS5. Amazing. I love that RS5, man. Oh my god. And for a maniac who rides like me, this is heaven. This is heaven, man. Chaos everywhere, bro. Chaos. Look at these idiots like this. No, they cause accidents. Why do you want to fucking stop in a fucking highway? Dumb fuck. Nice road, ille barodu. Nice road, nice road. KTM. Hey dude, look at him, look at him. He got a GoPro. Wait dude, there are more bikes coming. Look at this dude, maniacs everywhere. Yeah! That's the spirit. Subscribe to the Demon.
Bitches lost soul, son.
All I wanted to say, dude, on tarmac is fuck you. Fuck you. Look at him, dude. He looks amazing. Sorry?
Feeling is mutual.
Yeah.
Fuck you too.
Thank you, mate.